Stomach Strangler here, back again with my little brother, doing another challenge here. What we doing?
We're gonna do these atomic fries.
Let's see. We're gonna do the atomic fries from the Inferno Candy Company, and they
got a nuke on them. So.
He's the nuke, about to nuke our stomach.
Yeah.
They got 7-pot primo peppers. Looks like that's about it on the pepper side. So, you ready to get started?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hit that.
Pull him out, he's looking burnt or something.
Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and
hit the notification bell on YouTube.
Yeah. And also, what's your channel called?
I ain't really got mine fixed up right now.
He's got a channel. It's just been a while since he's been on it. But
yeah, I ain't made no videos in a while. I'm gonna get back at it eventually.
Alright, let's see here.
They ain't burnt.
They look like regular cheddar fries.
Yeah, they don't look too bad.
Oh, smell.
Oh man.
Go ahead and grab you one there.
Oh man. This makes me think of like what was in the chips back in the day you could get at the gas station.
I'm gonna do 2.
Oh man.
Alright. Cheers. Stomach Strangler. 3.
My bad. Hey man, they make too bad. They're not as bad that. That tastes like Grippos.
Well, them ain't. I ain't much on the aftertaste of them, but as far as being hot, they're not that hot, are they?
I mean, I think they're still a little hot.
I mean, they're a little hot. They're spicy.
They're spicy, that's what it is.
But they're not like punchy right in the mouth hot.
Like a spicy Grippo.
Yeah. Let's see. I just don't like the taste of them, honestly.
They're really spicy.
Yeah, I'm not much on the taste of them. They ain't that good, are they?
A little cheddary.
You want another one?
Oh. I don't know, man. They might be a little hot.
Yeah, they're starting to build up a little bit. Back when my throat's burning. But
they ain't too bad, really.
I gotta fix something real. Stomach Strangler here with my brother-in-law. We just finished the atomic fries, but I messed the camera up and ended the video too quick. But what'd you think of them?
Update. They hurt. They hurt. My tongue hurts.
After we ate, they wasn't that bad eating at first, but after a few minutes, they built up a little bit.
They kicked in, man. It caught you off guard. You know
they built up and kicked in.
Like Patrick Swayze with a roundhouse kick out of nowhere.
But
oh my God, my tongue hurt.
Atomic fries, that was pretty good. They wasn't that bad starting out, but they built up. So
I like y'all's logo too. I mess with it. It's dope.
Yeah, Inferno Candy Company. He shouts out y'all's logo for the atomic fries.
I like it.
But we're out. That was definitely a stomach strangler, wasn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh man.